Is affiliated marketing good for earning? Absolutely yes. But, affiliate marketing is not that easy. You need traffic. Here are some tips to avoid any pitfall on affiliate marketing. 1. Choosing a bad product to promote. Not all products are created equal. In fact, that is probably the driving motivation behind your decision to sell affiliate products. For the most part, you have accepted that there are plenty of high-quality products already on the market, and, if you create your own, it might not compare favorably. If you decide to pick your product off of a list on ClickBank, select very carefully. Rather than haphazardly selecting the product with the highest commission, look for ones that have the highest popularity and gravity ratings. If a lot of people are buying them often, they must be better than other products for sale within that niche. In addition to picking good products within niches, you will also want to look for good niches. Here's a stupid tip that will illustrate my point nonetheless: don't sell garden hoses in the winter. No one will buy. Focus on products that a lot of people want, and if their popularity just surged, for example, diet product or web hosting service that people use every day. 2. Picking a low converter. As an affiliate marketer, your goal is to profit from the hard work others have done, and from the money they have spent on copywriters, product developers, and software. If you select a product that underutilizes these advantages, you are likely to benefit less. Take, for instance, conversion rates. Not all product creators hire a top-notch copywriter. In fact, many of them just write their own copy. Many also don't hire someone to do graphs for the sales page. Instead, they try to do their own. The end result? The page looks hideous, the copy contains major errors, and the product converts poorly. Before you start promoting any particular product, read the sales page carefully and compare it with others. Do you feel compelled to buy? Did the graphics throw you off? Did the copy fail to reel you in for the catch? These can all amount to fatal errors for both the seller and you. You cannot help the seller at this point, but you can avoid his product and find a better one. Do yourself a favor, choose your products carefully. 3. Failing to collect leads. Always, always, always capture leads. Rather than generating traffic through pay-per-click, search engine optimization, and other methods and then sending that traffic to your affiliate link, you should make an effort to convert them into list members first. Why? 2 reasons: simple mathematical reasoning and the collective experience of many marketers. The simple mathematical reasoning goes something like this: virtually everyone who would have purchased the product will opt into your mailing list. And many who definitely would not have purchased the product will opt into your mailing list. Instead of converting at a rate of around 1-3 in affiliate sales, you will convert between 15 and 40 of visitors to your mailing list. From there, you will get the chance to contact the willing buyers and the more reluctant. Additionally, once they're on a list, this is no longer a one-off effort. You get the chance to market to them again and again for months or even years. As a marketer, one of the best tools you have available is your list. Always, always, always use your list over the one-off sale. 4. Ignore important numbers. Many affiliate marketers fail to make many of the small, yet important, calculations needed, in order to run a business and ensure you are in profit. For instance, many affiliate marketers will completely ignore the portion ClickBank extracts from each sale. Instead, they'll simply look at the price and the commission. Additionally, many will ignore conversion rates, pay-per-click bids, and the amount of time they put into projects. They'll also fail to make realistic estimate. Many affiliate marketers fail to make many of the small yet important calculations needed in order to run a business and ensure you are in profit. For instance, many affiliate marketers will completely ignore the portion ClickBank extracts from each sale. Instead, they'll simply look at the price and the commission. Additionally, many will ignore conversion rates, pay-per-click bids, and the amount of time they put into projects. They'll also fail to make realistic estimate. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing doesn't work like that. If you're paying too much for traffic, if your conversion rates are too low, if you put too much time into projects that don't have high yields, the outcome is bad. Your numbers won't add up. At the end of the day, month, or year, you may end up in debt, rather than profit. And since you're a sole proprietor, not a CEO of a corporation, that means you don't get paid at all. Even worse, you might lose some of your own money that you worked hard to get. Some interesting sources in the description. Check it right now to learn proven affiliate marketing secrets, how to make profits. Good luck and thanks for watching. Profits.